I hope you're getting a great start on the second half of the year. Hi, this is Brad, and welcome back to my video blog. I just want to reach out to you, give you a couple little pointers that we're working on with the team. Open houses have been a great source of meeting new clients out there in today's market. If they're out there looking at homes, they're serious. Also, speed to lead. We're finding that clients aren't just clicking on one, but they're clicking on multiple sites to find out information on property. One of my good friends down in Florida, his lead to speed is 5 seconds or less. So as quick as you can, get on the phones and start texting, emailing, and calling your client. Also, we've seen a drop off of the agents after 1, 2, or 3 attempts. I heard a story recently that it takes an average of 6.1 attempts before we're contacting the buyers and the sellers in the market. So keep up your prospecting. Don't stop until you've pushed past 7, 8, 9 plus contacts. Great time to have a fantastic second half of the year. You're just going to need to step it up a little bit. If you have any questions or any comments, I'm always here for you. Evaluate what you did in the first half of the year. Keep everything simple for the second half, and make sure you do your time blocking. Have a successful rest of the year. Take care, and bye for now.